and welcome once more to Waffle TV. It's been a while, but we welcome you back to our channel. We've prepared a very good package for you this time around, and we are going to have or experience a great year this year. Today, we'll be looking at word problems in decimals, and by the end of the lesson, we should be able to interpret questions that have to do with decimals. Without waste of time, we'll go straight into our first question so that we can read and interpret together and solve practically for better understanding. Here is our first question, which says, after spending 0.4 of my money, $33,000 is left. How much was my total amount? The first thing is assume that amount be equal to 1. So this is the fraction that was spent. With fraction spent is equal to 0.4. And to change 0.4 to a fraction, we're going to express 4 over 10. And if you simplify, here we have 2, 2 here 5. We're going to have 2/5. If you know the fraction spent and we know the total fraction, then we can calculate the fraction left, which is equal to 1 take away 2/5, 3/5, and this 3/5 is the same as the amount left, which is $33,000. Therefore, total amount will be equal to the amount left, which is 33,000, divided by the fraction left, 3/5, and this is the same as 33,000. You can express this over 1. You change the sign and invert the fraction that follows. This will be 5 over 3. 3 here is 1 time, and 3 into 33 is 11 times. These 3 zeros follow. So 11,000 times 5 is going to give us $55,000. This is the total amount if the fraction spent and the amount left is given. Now look at the second question. It says, if 0.6 of a journey is 120 kilometers, how long is the total journey or the whole journey? First thing is to assume let whole journey be equal to 1, and we know the fraction of the journey, which is equal to this. So 0.6, which is the same as a fraction, 6 over 10, 2 here 3 times, 2 here 5 times, 3/5. 3/5 of journey is equal to 120 kilometers. So this decimal or this fraction of the journey is 120 kilometers. If 3 parts of journey or distance is equal to 120 kilometers, therefore 1 part of journey will be equal to 120 divided by 3, which is going to give us 40 kilometers. So 1 part is 40 kilometers. But remember, they're asking us for the whole journey. So we can easily find 5 parts, which is the whole journey. Therefore, 5 parts of journey or the whole journey will be equal to 40 kilometers times 5 parts, which is going to give us 200 kilometers. So this is how simple it can be if a fraction or a decimal of a journey or distance is given and you are asked to calculate the total journey. Here is our third question, and it says 0.45 of a tank of fuel leaked, 0.25 was sold, and 210 liters was left. How much fuel did the tank hold? So the first thing is to assume let tank be equal to 1. The full tank will be equal to 1. We know the fraction of fuel that leaked. The fraction leaked is equal to 0.45. To change the decimal to fraction will be 45 over 100. And we can simplify here. 5 into 45, 9 times. 5 into 100, 20 times. So here we have 9 over 20. That's the fraction leaked. Then we can calculate as well the fraction that was sold will be equal to 0.25, which of course expressed as a fraction will be 25 over 100. 25 into itself 1 time and 25 into 100 4 times. That is 1/4. From this, we can find the total fraction leaked and sold. which will be equal to 9 over 20 plus a quarter. The LCM here is 20. 20 divided by 20 times 9 will be 9, plus 20 divided by 4 is 5, times 1 is 5. The total will be 14 over 20. And if you simplify 7, 10, you have 7 over 10. Now we can find the fraction left. Fraction left will be the whole tank, which is 1, minus 7 over 10. And this will give us 3 over 10. This 3 over 10 is the same as what was left, the quantity of fuel that is left, that is 210 liters. Therefore, total fuel will be equal to 210 divided by 310, which is the same as 210 over 1 times, you invert the second fraction, over 3. 3 here 1 time, and 3 into 21 7 times, into 0 0. 70 times 10 is going to give us 700 liters. That is the total fuel that the tank contained. This is all we had for you today, and we believe you've learned something. If you've gained even the little of things, make sure you subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so that each time we post a video, you will be notified. See you in our next lesson, where we shall be taking a brand new topic, and of course, it will be very interesting. Don't miss it. Thank you.